Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Tavian's World of Reptiles. I hope you are all doing well and taking care of yourselves. As you can see, I think maybe you can see, possibly you can see, Vash just hanging out behind me in her favorite spot today. You know, actually, earlier I got some pretty cute footage of her drinking some water, so check that out. Super cute. She's an adorable animal and I love her and I'm glad she's around. You know what? She spends more time outside of this thing that I built for her than she does in it. Like sometimes she goes in it to go underneath her light for like all of an hour and then is just kind of roaming around after that and is usually stationed up somewhere not in her enclosure when I come home from work. And I've actually been taking some random pictures of Vastra when I come home at the end of my day from work because she's usually always posted up somewhere sleeping different, and so I've got a few of those pictures and I want to share those with you now, so let's check those out. So, I'm almost thinking about just like straight up making her a free roaming lizard and like just continuing to kind of do what I'm doing, which is letting her do what she's gonna do because she's not spending time there. She only goes in there just to get some light. So if I just post her light up somewhere else and do what I was just doing in that video, giving her water, giving her mist down, she's looking healthy, she's looking great, and I think as long as she continues to look healthy, this might be a plan that works out. So it might be something that I experiment with for a while. And if it doesn't work out, well, hey, I guess I can just put this right back up and leave her out and leave her in there for a while and let everybody, you know, have that space to be in. However, if she's just not going to utilize it, I can totally have this space back. So that's just something that I'm looking at experimenting for a minute. But also, let's come over here because there's somebody in here right now. Oh, look at this. I turned off Vastra's light for a minute because I was getting ready to move it so that I could actually try what I was just talking about, which is experimenting with just setting her light up somewhere else. And I needed to let it cool down. Well, it obviously cooled down enough that Shere Khan decided to come crawling up here and wrapping himself up and on through things. Look at him doing a master climb. Look at him doing a master climb. And don't worry, this is definitely cooled off now. I'm not worried about him like being on it. It's not hot. It's fine. But yeah, so he is up there doing a roam. It is active. It is active in the reptile room today. Over here, oh, where you at? Where are you at? Can we see you? Can we see you? There you are. Where's your face? Where's your face? Where's your face? This is Cruella, my corn snake, but I can't see her face. Where are you? Oh, there you are. Aha, move, leaves. There you are. That is Cruella. She came out of her enclosure from down there. She crawled up the top to the top layer and then crawled across this tree here and has been posted up in here in this little pocket of the cat tree for like an hour now. So I think she's done roaming for the day, and I'll probably put her back in away shortly. But yeah, active day in the reptile room. And over here, look at that, look at that, look at that. Cogsworth has made a mess. He's got urates and poop. He's pushed up his dirt. He's up there trying to escape. He's up there trying to escape. Cogsworth's trying to do a big escape. Big escape. Hello. Say hello. Say hello. You gonna say hello to everybody? No, you just gonna literally close your eye on people, huh? How rude. How very rude. How very rude. There's a bowl of food for you over here. Do you see that? Are you gonna eat it? As soon as you go away, Dad, I certainly will. ah, let's see. I got Tigger's door open. Sorry, I'm right underneath the heater, so it probably got a little loud. But I got Tigger's doors open. He's not come out yet, but he also is still kind of warming up and waking up for the day. He usually doesn't get active until later in the morning. He is not that early of an early bird. He wakes up later in the day, so he's still chilling. But yeah. Oh. So yeah, I just want to kind of show you guys what was happening, talk to you guys about what I was thinking about doing when it comes to Vastra here. So yeah, I'm going to experiment with that for a little bit, you know, just kind of take this light down, put it up somewhere else, because she's always up there, hanging up there, or up there near the heater over there, and so, like, or not even near the heater, just like up on that enclosure, like, so I was always up high along this wall somewhere. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna post her light up somewhere that's outside of it, keep doing like I did in that video, and I think she'll be good as long as she continues to look healthy physically. And it's very clear to see when an iguana is dehydrated and not looking healthy. So I'm just gonna continue to observe her body and just kind of see where it goes, because the room is not necessarily at the 60% humidity level that is suggested, but if I'm just going to continue to observe her body, and if she looks great and she's not looking dehydrated, I think it's something that can work out, and I think it's something that's going to be a little bit of an experiment. And if it doesn't work out, well, this thing is still here. So anyway, just want to talk to you guys a little bit about that, show you guys all the activity that's happening in the room today. You all take care, love yourselves, love your loved ones, love your reptiles, and you guys keep spreading those herps.